Hello guys, it's Solo here. Welcome back with another video. So today we have some interesting clips. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.
Who's it for?
Me.
If you think no, there's no way, dude.
That's mine. Seriously,
No...
I'm not kidding. You're actually cringe.
Dude,
right
I have
now.
100,000 channel points. How many have you got?
Way more.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. I've been farming for years. I've been farming.
Nope.
It's not hard. Stop. Seriously. What are you doing?
Stop!
I'm actually gonna.
You're gonna break it! You're gonna fucking break it! You're gonna fucking break it.
I said, who you having babies with?
Joe.
If you say Joe Mama, I'm literally gonna kick you across the street.
Joe Mama.
Wait, Jordan, how'd you get my house? Ow!
And I asked myself, if you want to be my Valentine. If you say that you want, I'm gonna be really, really hyped. We can go for ice cream and
Aww.
I say hi. Pokimane. Hello.
Pokimane. Hello, Dom Gamer MC. That was beautiful. Why does he remind me like he reminds me of like a baby broken blade? Like a baby chubby broken blade, you know? Like a little baby. Just a little baby. Very cute.
Alright. Soft Poop, I like your name. I'll gift you a sub. I mean, I don't actually like your name, Soft Poop. I actually prefer like medium hard poop. Like hard poop is just like really sticky and it won't get out your butthole, and then soft poop just makes a mess everywhere. So I actually prefer like medium rare poop. Okay, one more person.
Okay. And the rule is you do not talk during the warm-up. Ever. Ever, ever. Never. Mic check. Oh, I can't tell if they could hear me. Mic check.
Hey, you're supposed to do that when the warm-ups are done, fuckface.
Like I said, never talk when in the warm-up.
Peter, thanks for 18 months. Wow. Thanks, Peter. Welcome back. What's up, loser?
Hit tower, so I don't die. Tower.
I'm hitting it, Mo! Oh my god!
I'm
fucking stressed, bro.
Alright, sacrifice the e-girls now. Just sacrifice both of them. They didn't help you.
We take those.
It's like, I'm not bullying Sykkuno. What? Sykkuno bullies me. Okay? Alright? Sykkuno bullies me. He goes, he says, Peter, yeah, let's do it sometime. And I'll message him, hey, Sykkuno, you want to do it? He's like, Peter, I'm kind of busy, yeah, I'll catch you later. Anyway, I'm not going to show you my thick booty, but, oh shit, I dropped something over there. Gosh, I hate when I do that.
Girlfriend reveal? Yeah, she's right here. There's nothing there, so, I don't have a girlfriend. I just realized I pointed at my hand, which gives a very weird impression, but that's not the one I was trying to give. I was trying to say my hand is empty. I was trying to say my hand is empty. There's nothing in my hand. You guys, wait. I was trying to say there's nothing in my hand, and that means, that never happened. Anyway, let's just,
Great. Good job.
I got him!
Now what?
Okay, mate, now we do this.
Great.
Hey, what's up, guys? Let's play some Fortnite! Yay! Oh, XQC's live!
Wait, is that actually working?
Oh my god, XQC's live! Oh, slam the dash! Slam the desk, mate.
And then fart, dude. Pog, yeah.
I never thought in my years of being a human I would ever dress up a sex doll with my mom.
Hello. Hi, my name is Soda, and I cry a lot.
Dude, it's about 10 minutes in XQC's live, dude.
I can't wait, man.
Did you clip it yesterday?
I clipped it.
I shipped it, clipped it, sent it to XQC, and he watched it, dude. Easy clap.
Fuck, I gotta pee. Oh my god, how do
Oh! Hello, officer. How you doing? Want to say hi to my vlog? Want to say hi to my internet vlog?
God damn it, Mitch Jones.
You know me? Oh, I'm known by the police. Hey, man, get me out of jail if I need it. All right?
No, absolutely not.
Hey, come on, bro. Why not?
I'll take you to jail, man.
Oh, don't take me to jail, bro.
They're already in Twitch jail.
Shit,
Leave
what
them
the
alone.
hell, dude? What the fuck? All right, yo.
That was dope.
Yeah, that was funny. All right.
So let's see how quick you are with a sword, man.
Oh, wow.
That was awesome, guys.
Mom, for the next content, I'm gonna eat scorpion.
뭐라고?
I'm gonna eat scorpion for the next content.
스콜피언이 무슨 정갈 아니야? 정갈 아니 뭐지? 스콜피언이 뭐더라? 정갈? 곤충? 인젝?
Scorpion.
스콜피언이 뭐더라? 도마뱀?
스corpion.
스콜피언이 뭐지?
정갈.
안돼, 독 있어 그거는. 혹시
It's not toxic.
혹시야 그런 거.
Obviously. Nobody knows for certain what's going on with Kate. Obviously, she's choosing to remain private, and I think with good reason. You can see how the internet gets. I personally don't think this whole kidnapping thing, I think that is such a far stretch from point A to B. But anywhere in between there...
Dude, that's so fucked up. Why'd you guys do
Is that Tyler? Holy shit!
Yeah, it's gonna be my last game because LCS is gonna start and then my food. Oh. Else coaching work? No, definitely.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's go.
I don't know, bitch.
I hope you have a great fucking night, yeah?
You have a great fucking night.
Hey!
You have a great fucking night.
Hey, let me get it.
Random girls kiss. We want a blonde cutie. We have 2 blonde cuties right here. What are you talking about? Juice, ass, sex? I can't have sex. Lay some pipe. Get a guy? Dude, what if I get rejected in front of all you guys though? That's embarrassing. Plus, I can't, nah. Listen, I'm not about to get rejected by some 22-year-old little bitch, alright? I'm fucking old and no. Okay, but I will find a girl, okay? Why not? Boobs, okay. They wanted me to get a guy and I'm like, listen, I'm not gonna get rejected by some 22-year-old little bitch. Pass on that. Pass. Nothing.
I made this cake on my street earlier today, so.
Oh, you did?
Dude. Not me, dude. What the?
Happy birthday to me!
What just happened?
Tracking right there.
Dolly, by the way.